Hi there, I am Lucy from English Factory. In this video, we will be discussing the previous 3 lessons in detail. So, watch the full video without skipping. Let's get started. Lesson 1, Ongoing Actions. Lesson 2, Habits, or Common Actions. Lesson 3, Past Actions. I will show you one example from each lesson. Listen carefully. She is sleeping now. She sleeps early. She slept very late. First, we will look at the meaning between these 2 lessons. She is sleeping. It is an ongoing action. She sleeps. It is her habit. But, not happening now. Friends, you know these are the 2 sentences that many people use wrongly. So, if you understand this difference, all your doubts will be clear. Ready? Let's go through a few examples. We are going. We go. We are studying. We study. I am smoking. I smoke. Sarah is reading. Sarah reads. They are quarreling. They quarrel. She is getting angry. She gets angry. They are speaking. They speak. He is coming here. He comes here. It's getting easier, right? Moving on to the past action. It's quite easy to make sentences in 3rd lesson. Important. Simple past is not related with present tenses in any way. Because the sentences or situations are only related with something happened before. I will show you a few examples related to past action. I saw him. Subject plus V2. We made a campfire yesterday. He completed his graduation in the last year. Now, let's have a look at 3 sentences together. I am coming. I come. I came. They are playing. They play. They played. Okay friends, we will continue with new lessons from next video. I hope this video was helpful for you. English Factory, your language enhancer.